सुप्रभात। गोवा ब्लॉग क्रमांक 6। अगर आपको लगता है कि गोवा सिर्फ समुद्री तट, गिरजाघर, पोर्तुगीज़ किला के लिए मशहूर है, तो आप कहीं पे एक छोटी सी भूल कर रहे हो। गोवा जाना जाता है उसकी संस्कृति के लिए, वहाँ की खान पान के लिए, गोवानीज लोगों के फुटबॉल के प्यार के लिए, वहाँ के सुंदर मोहल्लों के लिए और उन मोहल्लों में रहने वाले लोगों के लिए। आज हम लोग पंजिम सिटी की ऐसी एक छोटी सी नेबरहुड में पहुंचने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है फाउंटेन हाउस। लेकिन आज की जो ब्लॉग है वो फाउंटेन हाउस के बारे में नहीं है, बल्कि फाउंटेन हाउस में स्थित एक 180 साल पुरानी घर के बारे में है। उस घर की कही अनकही, सुनी अनसुनी कहानी आज हम लोग सुनेंगे उस घर के मालिक आयरिश साहब की जुबानी। आयरिश साहब की परिवार इस घर में पिछले 180 साल से रह रहे हैं। फाउंटेन हाउस की गलियों के बीच में से हम लोग धीरे धीरे उस मकान की तरफ बढ़ते जा रहे हैं। ये जो सामने 2 मंजिला कोठी दिख रही होगी वो आयरिश साहब का मकान है। आपको सामने दिख रहा होगा आयरिश साहब अपने कैफ़े में घुसते हुए, जिसका नाम है नॉस्टैल्जिया कैफ़े। चलिए आयरिश साहब से मिलते हैं और उनसे सुनते हैं इस 180 साल पुरानी घर की कहानी, उनकी जुबानी।
So this is a 180 years old property. Wow.
This, wow. This is amazing.
I'm sorry for the junk. I'm just
No
cleaning
worries,
out
no worries.
all. We did a lot of renovation at home,
So I was telling him that last year we were in Lisbon, Alfama.
Yeah.
So this
Yeah.
place
Yes,
looks almost
yes.
like Alfama.
and everyone
Yeah.
here speaks Portuguese.
Oh,
Really?
no,
Okay.
we don't understand Portuguese. You
But how did you learn? From your
From
parents?
generations, yeah.
हाँ हाँ, fathers and forefathers. हाँ,
Yeah,
ऐसे भी होता है. Like people who stay out
There
of there.
were 450 years Portuguese. were
Portuguese
here.
rule was there.
So all this is a Portuguese influence.
Ah, of course. Did you teach Portuguese in school?
Yeah, it's a second
Achha,
language.
you have a second language as Portuguese. So wonderful to know that.
You end up learning at least 3 languages.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
And with Hindi it's like 4. So
Sorry
English,
for the
Hindi.
junk. I'm just
That's
cleaning
okay.
up. No, I was doing the staff accommodation.
So is it only
I have,
house or you have a
invest
guest
from
house?
this. I have even basically this. I wouldn't say this groups which have this box. They have got tools.
Okay.
They have got this house tools.
Okay.
Cool.
So solar.
There's a lot of history because this was the first 2-storied house which came up here.
Okay.
So I got things like gun holes and I've got a lot of things.
Okay.
Yeah. And all the furniture is carved. It's just all old wooden floorings and all that.
Ah,
This
wonderful.
is the first double-storied building
Building.
In this area.
In
this area.
In the village now you can pretty much bigger houses. It's falling and all that. But what happened? This is the city house. My walls are so thick, 185 centimeters.
हाँ, जैसे पुराने घरों के होते हैं.
Thickness of the
This is a 180-year-old property.
Yeah.
It's like amazingly beautiful Goanese house, and he's going to explain it for us. Yes, sir.
First of all, this is a house which you live in, so it's not a museum or anything. Yeah, so don't expect any perfections here. This house was built in 1837, and the thing is that there was a plague. Come. There was a plague in old Goa, and people were moved from at that time because of plague very haphazardly. That's why you see all these narrow lanes and this touching houses and all that. So ours, like I told you, is a two-story house, which I'll show you something to this, and my great-grandfather settled here. He got married to my great-grandmother, whose house he was the second president of Port Chamber of Commerce.
He's a Portuguese national.
No, basically at Portuguese time, we are all Goans, but we were at the Portuguese era, at Portuguese time. So basically, we call ourselves Goan. If you see, a lot of people say Portuguese houses. They're not Portuguese houses actually. They're Goan houses, which are built at Portuguese time, Portuguese influence. So that's why we are very much westernized. This and that. If you see. So now if you see, this is our family altar, which Jesus Christ, and we have the miraculous Saint Anthony. A lot of people come and offer candles. Saint Anthony is a saint of lost and found, of brides to get grooms. So a lot of people come and offer candles. So these are simple things, right? These are the mini chandeliers if you see, but these are made by my grandfather. He used to love, his passion was to make things. So this is a wine glass, the bottom of a wine glass. These are injection ampules, small things which are made. So now what happened is Goa and Macau, they're both Portuguese colonies. So there was a lot of trade which used to happen. So if you see most of this furniture, all this carved furniture and all, is all from Macau. Which is from Macau. You see all these plates, blue plates which have come. They are all from Macau. So then you see, this especially the grape wine is a thing, they're typical designs of Macau. Now this is, a shroud. You've heard about Shroud of Turin?
No.
Okay. When Jesus Christ went through agony, he carried the cross and all. There was a lady called Veronica who wiped his face, and that imprint came on the cloth or the towel which he did. And that same original is in Turin, in Italy. So this is a copy of it. This is over 100 years old. Can you come here?
Sure.
Tell me what it is made of. What is the thing? See how intrinsic, how detailed it is.
It looks to me is jute. Is it?
It's a cloth, but it's cross stitch.
Okay.
See, but see the details of it and all. It's a very old piece, over 100 years old.
It's cross stitch. I have a feeling there's a painting. No,
No,
it's not.
a painting. So
Okay.
that's what I'm saying. So see, it's such detailed work.
Yeah. I really mistook it for a painting.
Yeah, I also thought it was a painting.
It was a painting made on jute or cloth.
So this is a sit-out which we have got. Basically, sit down to enjoy yourself.
Wow. And you have lovely collection of cacti or succulents.
Yeah, my wife.
Yeah, succulents.
You will see. This is lady finger, these are chickens, my wife, so this is
We also have a kitchen garden.
Yeah, very small.
So these are, that's why we have hens, we have chickens, we have in the city itself. There are various bottles, this way used to for vinegar, this way used to for pickles, these are bottles for wine.
Okay.
Are
this old? This much very old.
Yeah, these are
right?
old, but you get imitation of this thing now if you see. You get it. Then this were special, this, I don't mind my things are, upgrading level. Here they to make, they have a lot of mangoes in Goa. So there's a jam called mangada. And for Christmas, I don't know if you have heard about dodol, there's a sweet dodol.
No, unfortunately.
If you go to any of this, you'll get dodol. So this is to be in fire and you have to keep on stirring and this, These are the old measures which are there. So this, the old. I hope you are happy with
Yes.
I just wanted you all to
No, we are
understand too.
We could not have asked for it,
If you see why these windows are with shells. These shells are called oyster paint shells. I've eaten it. They are like mussels, basically, and you eat the meat. There are two shells which are there. You get it in Goa and you get somewhere in Asia, somewhere in one of this, but you don't get it anywhere. So they used to use this shell because they're translucent, and lighting at that time was bad. So that was the thing. Yeah. Yeah.
Actually speaking, when you were showing us the house from outside, we felt like whether we could go inside.
You told us about the
No, I said I usually do it with.
shots, no?
I will. Yeah. I usually do it with the. I don't. The first time actually
We are really
because
glad that
I saw your
Really
address.
grateful to you.
See, these are old tea sets, China sets. These are the Macau.
Oh.
Yeah, they're very old tea sets which are there. Then we have got, this is all Macau crockery
Yes.
which is there.
These are all your
All
friends,
blue.
family.
Yeah, all family, 2-3 generation. That's an old English set which is there.
Lovely, no?
Yeah.
So then here, usually we take it down, but what happens is that I don't take people down now because of my mom, because of corona and all that.
Let us not take the risk.
So this like I told you, it was released out to a government printing press, So for security reasons, because this side there are no gun holes because we have got a hill called Altino. At that time when they located it here because water would be available. So these are gun holes which we have got all over the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I show you behind that cupboard, see it goes this way. Here there is.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some of them we have closed now, some of them, but we have kept them. Here there is a gun hole. What happened?
Protecting.
Yeah, hi Mona. Yeah, no. Thank you very much that lady placed the order. We will deliver it to her. Yeah, she sent me a Google location. Yeah.
Carving.
Yeah. Yes, yeah.
Such beautiful.
Thank you, Ramana. Thank you very much. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Bye. If you see this chair, basically, wait, I'll show you with this thing. Usually, you sit down here, you put up this.
It's a footstool kind of thing.
Yeah.
I have not seen
only
this
that's
kind of
good.
footstool anywhere.
Or if I want to be more relaxed,
Wow. That's amazing.
Let's go on live.
Let's go on
yeah,
there.
that's how I want if I want to be more
Yeah.
this.
When we were young, we used to have something like this, but not
We
so
used to call it
comfortable.
easy chair.
But that is gone.
This also was my nearby. I have to put my things. I'm just arranging everything after the. This also made my grandfather. Of course, there are artifacts which come there. Then this is one of our bedrooms. This is one of
I
our-
switch this off. 4-poster bed.
Yeah, 4-poster bed. Yeah. Simple cupboards for me, for my wife.
All the furniture are antique furniture.
Yeah, everything is old. Everything is old. Everything is old.
Old and beautiful.
Then here we have got the dining. The dining also again I have a chest which is fully carved here, which is the old one. Again this is easy chair here. We have got the attic up. I've got my son's room on top. We've got a beautiful room out there.
So great thing about this that you could retain everything. And you should
I'm
be
doing that.
blessed,
It's
feel
my-
blessed that you could retain everything.
It's my passion.
Not many would be able to do that.
It was a lot of care also.
Yeah, then you see these windows, if you see these windows, these are sliding windows. We open and close them every day. They are English shell windows, but we open and close them.
Wow.
Yeah. Then, oh my god, from where did this mountain lizard come? God, it's a baby. My god, Aisha, see this guy here?
Lizard?
Yeah, one big lizard.
Jake has brought him.
Cat has brought him. He's there stuck.
He's alive?
Yeah,
he's alive.
No, just give me a paper.
scared.
Give me a paper.
They won't do anything actually.
He won't do anything.
No, just play, wait, don't do anything.
Okay, take him up from box.
Hello ma'am.
I'm quite bad.
You want us to now?
No.
No.
We are barging into your house. You are not badly dressed.
We got a lovely house. Just lovely. I was so grateful to him.
We came from Gurgaon.
Gurgaon.
Delhi.
Yeah.
Quite far.
Yeah, Okay.
She's Nandini.
I'm sure.
Sure.
Nice.
Sorry, I didn't know. Yeah.
Great to see your house, and
Thank
we are
So then
really happy to
this, if you see
be
this bottle, no, this orange, they used to put hot water and use it as body warmers.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello, baby.
There's a hat stand over here where you have different kinds of
Now put
hats
here to clear.
suspended from it.
Também, eu dou isto, nós compramos por 300 rupias aqui.
Curious cat.
Eu dou tipo mesmo.
Who's looking
Sim.
for his playmate,
Yes.
who he's got from out.
Alô? Eu dou aqui. Tá bem.
Kitty kitty. Kitty kitty.
Ah?
No, he's too busy.
Sim, é verdade.
Can you look at us? Yeah, now we look at us. Come here, your friend.
He's searching for his friend.
He came at it in the morning and made it such a big
He
noise.
didn't kill it. He got it from
No,
outside.
they don't kill, they play.
They bring it, whatever they catch, they bring and show the master, always. Yeah, even if it is dead, they come and show. They come meow, 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 and then show. But this he was playing with it, he must have lost him.
He's inside the box, you cannot get him.
Let it be now, let him.
Amazing.
So, we've got a few modern things, but no old and modern.
Yes, it's a lovely house. I never seen something like this before. We do have.
Yeah, that's why I said you are so interested. So I
Yes,
said,
so we
well,
really love
I
Take
will.
one picture
Yeah,
of
sure.
content house from
Sure,
outside.
sure.
आयरिश साहब से फिर से मिलने की उम्मीद के साथ फाउंटेन हाउस को पीछे छोड़ते हुए हम लोग बढ़ चले अगले कहानी की ओर। तो फिर से मिलेंगे अगले कहानी में। तब तक के लिए अलविदा, रब्बा खैर। इस चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और मिलते हैं अगले व्लॉग में।